The universe is full of wonders, with mysteries and marvels scattered across the vastness of space. Every so often, something extraordinary happens that reminds us just how dynamic and unpredictable our cosmic neighborhood can be. But rarely do we get to witness cosmic events as they unfold in real time, right before our eyes. Most astronomical phenomena take place over millions or even billions of years, far beyond a human lifetime. Recently, the Hubble Space Telescope captured not one, but two massive collisions in the nearby Fomalhaut star system, just 25 light-years away from Earth. This is practically next door in galactic terms, making it an incredibly rare opportunity for astronomers. Imagine two asteroids, each the size of a small country, smashing together with unimaginable force. The energy released in such a collision is so immense, it can reshape entire regions of a star system. This is planet building in action. These violent impacts are the very processes that eventually lead to the birth of new worlds, as dust and debris clump together over time to form planets, moons, and other celestial bodies. Fomalhaut's proximity makes it a prime target for astronomers eager to study how planetary systems form. Its relative closeness allows us to observe details that would be impossible to see in more distant systems. Hubble's long-term observations have revealed a rare glimpse into the violent processes that shaped our own solar system billions of years ago. By watching Fomalhaut, we're essentially looking back in time at the kind of chaos that once reigned in our own cosmic backyard. The story began nearly 2 decades ago when scientists thought they'd imaged a new planet orbiting Fomalhaut. The discovery sparked excitement and curiosity throughout the astronomical community. But the object's behavior was odd. It faded from view, defying all expectations for a planet. Instead of following a predictable orbit, it seemed to dissolve into nothingness, leaving astronomers puzzled. The mystery was solved when astronomers realized they'd witnessed the aftermath of a gigantic impact. What they saw wasn't a planet, but a massive, expanding dust cloud created by the collision of two enormous bodies. As that cloud faded, a second bright spot appeared elsewhere in the system, evidence of yet another colossal collision. It was as if the Fomalhaut system was putting on a cosmic fireworks show. Seeing two such dramatic events in just 20 years is like lightning striking twice, but on a cosmic scale. It's a reminder that the universe is far from static. Change and chaos are always at work. These discoveries force scientists to rethink how planetary systems form and evolve, challenging old models and inspiring new theories about the birth and growth of worlds across the galaxy. What makes Fomalhaut so special? Why has this distant point of light captured the imagination of astronomers for generations? It's one of the brightest stars in our sky, shining with a blue-white brilliance that's visible even to the naked eye. Fomalhaut is twice the mass of our Sun, and only a few 100 million years old, practically a cosmic newborn compared to our 4.6-billion-year-old solar system. Its youth and luminosity make it a fascinating laboratory for studying the early stages of planetary systems. Studying Fomalhaut is like peering back in time at our own solar system's chaotic youth. By observing this star, scientists can witness the processes that shaped our own planetary neighborhood billions of years ago. Its most striking feature is a vast, dusty debris disk, much larger than our Kuiper belt, where comets and asteroids are born. This ring of icy and rocky material stretches far from the star, providing a unique window into the birth and evolution of planets. The sharp inner edge of this ring hints at the gravitational pull of an unseen planet, sculpting the dust and debris into a precise shape. This tantalizing clue has made Fomalhaut a hotspot for exoplanet hunters, eager to catch a glimpse of new worlds in the making. Directly imaging a planet is incredibly difficult, especially when it's lost in the glare of its parent star. But the rewards are huge. By capturing these faint companions, we can learn about their size, orbit, and even the composition of their atmospheres, unlocking secrets about how planets form and evolve. Because of its brightness and youth, Fomalhaut became a marquee target for the Hubble Space Telescope. Its unique features promise to reveal new insights into the architecture of planetary systems beyond our own. Years of patient observation, careful imaging, and data analysis set the stage for the surprising discoveries to come. Astronomers watched and waited, hoping to catch a glimpse of something extraordinary. Astronomers hope to find a planet, evidence of a new world orbiting this remarkable star, a direct link to the processes that shaped our own solar system. Instead, they found something far more chaotic and revealing. What they discovered would challenge their expectations and open a new chapter in the story of Fomalhaut. Our story begins in 2008, when a team of astronomers made a thrilling announcement. Using the Hubble Space Telescope, they spotted a bright, mysterious point of light nestled within the debris ring of the distant star Fomalhaut. This object, which they named Fomalhaut B, immediately captured the imagination of scientists and the public alike. For the first time, it seemed we had a direct image of an exoplanet orbiting another star, a rare and groundbreaking achievement in astronomy. The scientific community was electrified. News of the discovery spread quickly, and Fomalhaut B was hailed as a major milestone. But even in those early days, there were hints that something about this object was unusual. Unlike other, massive, young planets, Fomalhaut B was strangely faint in infrared light. This was puzzling, since young planets are typically warm and glow brightly in infrared wavelengths. Even more perplexing, its orbit was highly eccentric, swinging it through the debris disk in a way that defied expectations for a planet's path. The more astronomers studied it, the more questions arose. Despite these red flags, astronomers continued to monitor Fomalhaut B, hoping that more data would reveal its true nature. They tracked its movement, analyzed its brightness, and debated its origins. Over the years, the object's light began to fade, and its trajectory grew even more erratic. It didn't behave like any planet they had ever seen. Then, in a stunning twist in 2023, the Hubble Space Telescope revealed that Fomalhaut B had vanished entirely. Planets, of course, don't just disappear from view. This shocking development forced scientists to rethink everything they thought they knew about the object. It became clear that they hadn't been observing a planet at all. Suddenly, all the oddities made sense. The strange orbit, the fading light, the lack of infrared glow, these were clues pointing to a very different story. Fomalhaut B was not a planet at all, but a cosmic imposter, a phantom planet that had fooled even the experts. Its mysterious disappearance was the final clue that cracked the case wide open, revealing the truth behind the illusion. What astronomers had actually witnessed was the aftermath of a colossal collision between two icy bodies in the debris ring, creating a vast expanding cloud of dust and debris that briefly shone like a planet. The mystery of the phantom planet had deepened our understanding of the cosmos, reminding us that the universe is full of surprises, and that sometimes, the truth is even more fascinating than fiction. The vanishing of Fomalhaut B confirmed the truth. It was an expanding dust cloud, not a planet. Astronomers realized they'd witnessed the immediate aftermath of a titanic collision between two large planetesimals. The dense dust cloud scattered starlight, making it appear as a bright point in Hubble's images. Over the years, radiation pressure from the star pushed the dust outward, causing the cloud to expand and fade until it disappeared from view. The object was reclassified as Fomalhaut CS1. Collision Source 1. This discovery is a cautionary tale. Not every moving dot is a planet. It highlights the chaotic, violent nature of young planetary systems. The case of the phantom planet taught astronomers to be more vigilant and to expect surprises. Sometimes the universe's best lessons come from mistaken identity. Just as astronomers absorbed the truth about Fomalhaut CS1, the system delivered another shock. In 2023, Hubble spotted a new bright point of light elsewhere in the debris disk, Fomalhaut CS2. Careful analysis confirmed it was another collision, nearly identical to the first. Witnessing two such events in one system, within 2 decades, is extraordinary. This second collision solidified the conclusion. Fomalhaut is an active construction zone, not a quiet star system. Now, astronomers have a fresh opportunity to watch a cosmic collision unfold in real time. Fomalhaut CS2 is the new focus, offering a rare chance to study planet formation as it happens. The story is no longer just a solved mystery, it's an ongoing cosmic drama. Seeing two giant collisions in Fomalhaut is almost statistically impossible. Models suggest such events should happen only once every 100,000 years. Witnessing 2 in 20 years defies the odds and challenges our understanding of planet formation. Perhaps Fomalhaut is unusually chaotic. Or maybe our models are missing something fundamental. These discoveries force astronomers to rethink how often and how violently planets are built. The universe is far more dynamic than we imagined. For the first time, we're watching planet formation in real time. By tracking the expanding dust clouds, scientists can study the size, composition, and behavior of the debris. This reveals the building blocks of planets and the violent processes that shape them. The color and spectrum of the dust tell us if the colliding bodies were rocky, icy, or both, crucial for understanding planet formation. Observing how the cloud expands tests our theories of physics and helps refine our models. It's like seeing a living dinosaur instead of just bones, direct evidence, not just fossils. The Fomalhaut collisions are a dynamic experiment on a cosmic scale. We're lucky to witness it, frame by frame. Hubble's era is ending, but the James Webb Space Telescope is ready to take over. JWST's powerful infrared vision will reveal the faint heat of Fomalhaut CS2's dust cloud, offering new insights. Its instruments can analyze the dust's composition, searching for water ice and other key ingredients. Webb's sharp images and spectroscopy will help determine the size, mass, and nature of the colliding bodies. Combining Hubble's long-term data with JWST's detail gives us the clearest picture yet of this cosmic event. It's a perfect partnership between two legendary telescopes. The next chapter of discovery is just beginning. The Fomalhaut collisions are more than a cosmic spectacle. They're changing how we search for planets. Dust clouds can masquerade as planets, reminding us to be cautious and thorough in our observations. These findings also inform planetary defense, teaching us how asteroids break apart. Vital knowledge for protecting Earth. Ultimately, Fomalhaut's story is our own. The elements in our bodies were forged in stars and assembled by collisions like these. Studying this process connects us to the universe and our origins. It's a thrilling mystery, a cautionary tale, and a window into creation. The dust clouds will fade, but the knowledge will last, illuminating how worlds are made. Our understanding of the cosmos and our place in it grows with every discovery.